I am a home cook. I am self-taught. I have never taken a cooking class. My dad taught me everything I know. And once I started cooking after having children, I don't even consider myself on weeknights a cook. I consider myself someone who assembles dinner. But if you have really good products and you don't need very many, you can make a great meal that everyone's gonna rave over. And I happen to work for Crowd Cow, and I happen to believe in really good quality ingredients. And this ground beef is incredible, like nothing you'll have ever tasted. And when you have a product this good, when meat this good, it doesn't need much. Tonight, I'm making Brinner for my family. I'm a big fan of breakfast for dinner. And we're making ground beef chilaquiles. You can use corn, you can use flour. These happen to be corn and flour. I'm gonna cut them into triangles. And now we're going to spread them out on my cookie sheet, and then we're gonna do a little drizzle. Into the oven they go. So I've just added a pound of ground Hutterian beef. It's a local Washington farm. And now let's do a little bit of seasoning. Let's do a little cumin and chili powder. This is so beautiful. Like, it already is so much more beautiful than regular ground beef. So we're just gonna get this browned up, and then we're gonna set it aside. These guys are looking perfect. So now we're gonna start assembling them. I'm using my same ground beef pan because we're not doing a lot of dishes tonight. I had a late meeting, I gotta get dinner on the table. Okay, we're gonna start with a layer of our crisped up tortillas. From there, it's kind of like a lasagna. You're just gonna layer as you go. Some enchilada sauce, cheese, ground beef. How about some black beans? Now we do it again. Yum. All right, here comes our final hit of enchilada sauce. Into the oven it goes, 375 for about 15 minutes, making 4 nests where we feel like we can crack our eggs into. One going in, here we go. This beautiful Brinner is served. I pulled them out after about 10 minutes. Some in my family like them really runny, some don't, so I try to always split the difference.
A breath of fresh air in my life. I don't know how, don't know why, but I'll be toasting all my life.